Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your speaker SONY ULT FIELD 7. Firstly, make sure that your speaker is turned on, and after that we need to turn off it. So, at the speaker we have controls, and right here at the left side we have power button. You need to press one time at this power button, and right here we can see no LED light, so we just turn off it, and then we need to turn on it to reconnect your speaker with a phone, and it can fix a small trouble. So, press one time at the power button again, and we can see this LED light, so we just turn on it, and it should reconnect to your phone. So right here, we should have the information that it's connected. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!